is to avoid your elements clashing with the MEPF elements. So I'll try to teach you on how to create an opening in the wall or in the flooring. First, wall opening by wall command, go to the elevation view, south view, then select this wall, select the wall, and then draw the pattern or the shape of the duct. And then automatically you have created an opening. Because sometimes if you uh, perform clash detection in Navis, these clashes between walls and floors will give you like hundreds or thousands of clashes. Next is wall opening by void, generic model. Pick a plane, select this plane, and select this void extrusion. Draw the profile of the duct. Cut, select the wall, select the void, and finish model. So now you have created a wall opening using void extrusion. Now, for example, you have an elevator shaft or a duct shaft, then let's make use of this shaft tool. So select the shaft, but based on your structural drawing, and then you need to be really sure of the dimension of the shaft that you will be creating, and then draw the shaft size that you need for the elevator. Select. So if you need more floors, just drag this, go into the basement, and drag this, go into the upper floors. Next is floor opening by face. Select this tool, select the floor, then check, go into 3D. Now you have a floor opening for your ducting. And lastly, you can use the vertical tool. Select also the flooring, select this rectangle, then you have the opening for the flooring. You can also perform the void by extrusion here, just like what we did in the wall a while ago.